I repeat the question. I had a sort of 3 parts in the AH reverence. So how do I experience the part 3, the reverence? How do I put it into action? How do I experience it in the body? And if we look at the love A exercise in the middle, that's the exercise between yes and no and the reverence exercise. Then we have this love gesture, which brings me forward. It's not oh, it's an all-embracing gesture. It's a gesture which comes from the heart, but in a way, I feel there's a flow through the body everywhere which takes me forward. It's not I'm being pulled from here. And this lives, in this reverence part. So if I do the I do it quickly now, ha, and then I let go and I still experience the ha, then now I use my memory of the love A exercise. And what I felt in the love A exercise, I now use as a memory, oh, there it's streaming everywhere. And this, that it's streaming there, I feel in every cell of my body. And this makes it slowly incline forward. Not forward, it brings me into the middle again, so that I have the R which pulls me back and this reverence which brings me forward in an equilibrium. Not statically fixed, but in a lively way.